Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? So right now, you guys, we're going to church.
Did you wake up, Grace? You woke up, Dad? Sorry, guys.
That's fine.
Here, take it.
So you woke up, Dad, Grace?
Yeah.
Did you go say, what did you do?
You hide it.
He
Yeah, I
did.
did.
He hid.
Thank
Did Daddy hide under the blanket?
you, Dad.
Yep. So that's what's going on, you guys. Yeah, Grace woke me up, though.
This morning because I was unsuccessful.
So that's what's going
But
on, you guys.
who wouldn't be able to wake up to Grace jumping on somebody's head?
Yeah.
Right, Gracie?
I
You did. You're
did.
right.
Having some pickens and blankets.
And why are we making them on the ground? Because it's easier.
It's a lot easier.
It's just our... Oh, you're holding the blankets?
Mommy.
No, not
Yeah.
yet. Not yet. I'll
Not
show
yet.
you what to do.
One second,
I'm
Grace.
gonna show you what to do. Honey, we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna go roll.
Roll it.
Can you help me roll? No, this way. This way. Look.
Another way.
This way.
Mine do
You're gonna roll it in. Oh,
Good job.
did you put the?
Just touch, you guys. It looks so good.
No, come back. Who made those pigs in the blanket?
Did you make them?
No, did you help Mommy make them?
Help, Daddy. Mommy.
Mommy helped.
Show them. Show them your piggy.
Did Mommy and Gracie make pigs on the blanket?
What are you dipping your piggy in? Ketchup. What are you eating with your piggy? Yeah, and what else? Oh, did you run out of cookie?
What other things do you have, Grace?
Can Silas have this?
No. You're gonna give it to him?
Did you run out of...
What are you doing, Grace? At the beach, the park, you guys, and Silas is enjoying the sand. Hey, Silas, are you enjoying the sand? What are you doing? I'm gonna change the video. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys see you guys back here. Have a good day. Goodbye.